Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F7 and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to go to About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Now let's localize this information, so OS version for POCO, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. We've got this information, so we can go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find developer options and tap on them. Here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, we can enable the strict mode, show view updates, window animation scale, we can change it, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth and overall with the networking. So a lot of advanced options. And if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply go to the very top of the list and tap on this switcher at the top. As you can see, we just immediately got back to the additional settings and the developer options are not visible, which means that we just successfully turned them off. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to this OS versions tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.